Hey everyone. Today I'm super excited to talk about something that's shaking up the world of video creation, VidMax AI. If you're a video creator like me, you know the struggle of editing, finding the right clips, and making everything look just perfect. Well, VidMax AI is here to change the game. First off, let's talk about the editing process. VidMax AI uses advanced artificial intelligence to automatically edit your videos. Yep, you heard me right. It's automatic. Imagine saving hours of editing time. The AI analyzes your footage, picks the best moments, and stitches them together seamlessly. It's like having a professional editor on speed dial, except it's all done in minutes. But that's not all. VidMax AI also helps with content suggestions. Struggling with what to post next? The AI can analyze trending topics and give you ideas on what your audience wants to see. It's almost like having a crystal ball for viral content. Another fantastic feature is the automatic subtitle generation. Adding subtitles to your videos can be a drag, but VidMax AI does it for you. It's accurate and saves you a ton of time. Plus, subtitles are great for accessibility and increasing engagement with it. More people watching your videos means more growth for your channel. And let's not forget about the seamless integration with all major platforms. Whether you're posting on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, VidMax AI has got you covered. It optimizes your videos for each platform, ensuring you get the best results every time. No more worrying about aspect ratios or video quality. Now, if you're worried about creativity, don't be. VidMax AI doesn't take away your creative control. You can still tweak and personalize your videos to make them uniquely yours. It just handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on what you love, creating awesome content. Let's talk about the user experience. VidMax AI is super user-friendly. The interface is intuitive, and even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate. Plus, there are tons of tutorials and support available if you ever get stuck. You know what you're thinking, this sounds too good to be true. But trust me, VidMax AI is the real deal. It's already helping thousands of creators just like you and me to produce high-quality videos faster and easier than ever before. So if you're ready to take your video creation to the next level, give VidMax AI a try. You'll be amazed at how much it can transform your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy creating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome content. See you next time.